Welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of viral TikTok science experiments. Are you ready to uncover the truth? You've seen these crazy TikTok science experiments blowing up your feed, but do they really work, or are they just camera tricks? Stick around as we test them out and reveal the real science behind the magic. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love fun science and want to discover the truth behind viral experiments, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the bell. You won't want to miss what we have coming up. First up, the classic Mentos and soda geyser. TikTok claims you can make it even bigger by shaking the bottle before dropping in the Mentos. But does it really make a difference? The science here is all about nucleation. Tiny imperfections on the Mentos cause carbon dioxide bubbles in the soda to escape rapidly, creating that iconic explosion. And yes, shaking it does add more pressure, but it's also a lot messier. Next, TikTok says you can create a lava lamp with just oil, water, and an Alka-Seltzer tablet. But does it work as smoothly as the videos show? This one's real, and here's why. The tablet releases carbon dioxide, pushing colored water through the oil, creating those mesmerizing blobs. A perfect mix of chemistry and physics. Finally, can you hold a balloon over a flame without it popping? TikTok says yes, with a little water in the balloon. The water absorbs the heat, keeping the rubber cool and preventing it from bursting. Science is awesome, isn't it? So, which of these TikTok experiments surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you have other viral science tricks you want us to test, drop those suggestions below. Don't forget to like this video if you had fun today, share it with a friend who loves science, and hit subscribe so you don't miss more mind-blowing experiments. See you next time.